To drink and just drink. I'm not drinking.
He wants to be a Red Dead Redemption character so bad.
What's that guy's name from Red Dead Redemption, y'all?
King Arthur.
Yes, that's what he's trying to do right now.
I mean, look at him. He got the boots on, jeans.
He got the whole fit.
He got the whole fit on. What's going on in pop culture? Oh,
What?
Drake suing UMG for
Not like us, or what?
no for he said that they were pushing
Not Like Us?
streams for Not Like Us.
Oh,
How you feel about that?
I'm on mic, bro. You don't need to.
Oh, my bad. My bad.